How can courage be used to protect yourself and others around you? So let me start with how courage can help you people protect yourself. When you're courageous, one, you will stand up for what is right. You will try to make a difference in society. You will try to push back against people who are unnecessarily exploiting you, unnecessarily manipulating you, or people who are bullying you, people who are trying to force you to do something that you do not like, or simply put, you will be able to achieve your goals and dreams because when you have that courage, when you're able to take the calculated risks, you will learn to program yourself to achieve more and more and more and become better in this process. And the more better that you become, the more you will be able to protect yourself because when you become better, I'm talking about you going through all sorts of experiences and past failures would have pulled you down, but if you have learned from it, now if you face a failure, you will be protecting yourself from emotional discomfort. If somebody has tried to push you to do something which you didn't like, and you have done it in the past, you know how bad it feels. This time you have the courage to protect yourself from being a pushover. People cannot push you or people cannot use you like a doormat. And the main thing that courage helps you in dangerous situations where you need to survive, where you need to protect yourself, where you need to focus on how to get out of that particular situation. Also, when I'm talking about courage, using courage to protect yourself, I also want you all to be able to think of how you can use courage to, let's say, complain about antisocial elements, complain about drug abuse, complain about trafficking, complain about sexual abuse, complain about domestic abuse, and all these aspects. But every time I am re-emphasizing on the aspect that you need to ensure that you're safe. You need to take a calculated risk. You need to be able to use your courage in such a way that neither do you pose a threat to yourself or neither are you putting yourself in a situation where it is dangerous while at the same time you're able to protect others from danger. Now, coming to how courage will help you protect others. Simply put, like I said, when you see people being exploited, being manipulated, being abused, or being even used, you will be able to help them protect themselves by ensuring that you show them the right path on how to come out of that situation. You will be able to take that action, help them where you're also protecting them and you're also building up your courage. And when you stand as a voice, when you stand as a strong voice, you can also take help from people around you. And when you show that you're courageous, people will automatically feel like supporting you. And when this happens, you are not only helping yourself, but you're helping others around you for a lot of aspects. It might be something like helping people, when they're being bullied, helping people when they're being body shamed, standing up to people who are trying to unnecessarily create problems in your neighborhood. So this is how courage is going to help you and others around you.